Hi guys, today I will show you how to make this delicious sweet and spicy chicken thighs. Let's get cooking. The ingredients you will need are brown sugar, paprika, smoked paprika, cayenne pepper, garlic and onion powder, salt to taste, and black pepper. Mix this up and then let's get our chicken thighs ready. My chicken is cleaned and I'm using a paper towel to absorb all the moisture as much as possible. This is a very quick recipe that can be done in 20 minutes or less. Now I'm using a knife to poke around the chicken so all the seasoning can get inside. Then spread your seasoning all over your chicken thighs, making sure you get every single part of the chicken. Flip it and repeat the process. On medium to high heat, add 2 tablespoons of butter and 2 tablespoons of olive oil and throw in a few crushed garlic cloves. Let the butter almost melt and the garlic is fragrant. Then add your chicken thighs smooth side down. Let this cook without touching for at least 3 to 4 minutes. Flip and cook for another 3 to 4 minutes. Then add half a cup of chicken broth and a few sprigs of rosemary. Cover and let this simmer on medium to low heat for 7 to 10 minutes. After about 10 minutes, stir to deglaze your pan and get the juice all over the chicken. Then broil for 5 to 7 minutes and we are done. I will serve this with mashed potatoes and green beans, but feel free to serve with any sides of your choice. Enjoy! Thank you so much for watching that video. I hope you loved it. If you did, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you get alerts anytime I post a new video. I'll see you next time. Bye.